Hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some information that you're going to need while you're navigating through this course in MyLab Statistics. Over to your left, you will notice here that there's a preface to the student, which is a video. I would highly recommend that you watch this video because the video basically explains everything that you need to do and how to access all the information in this course. So make sure you watch this video first before you do anything. Now, if you look down here to your left, you have what we call our interactive assignments. And if you go down a little further, you will see what we have is called the guided notebook. So these two go hand in hand. Okay, so when you select the interactive assignments, okay, what's going to end up is it's going to pull up the chapter and everything that's going to be associated with the interactive assignments. You're going to select chapter 1. And then down here, it's going to give you an outline for everything that's discussed in chapter 1. And if you notice here, if I select section 1.1, you will have these options. You have read and interact, which is the interactive reading assignment. Then you have assess, which is the homework. So the first thing you want to do is to be able to read and interact, okay? And once you complete that, then you are able to access the homework. So I'm going to go ahead and select read and interact. Okay, so here it's going to tell you the title of the assignment, okay, when it's actually due and what your score is. And you have a limited amount of attempts to be able to get a 14 out of 14. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select Start Assignment. Okay, now this is the reading that you want to do first. Okay, you have an introduction, which gives you the introduction to section 1.1 and what are the learning objectives for this section. Okay, and then here are the objectives. So once you see this first introduction, then you can go ahead and either hit this arrow key to your right to go to the next page, or you can select at the top and select objective. And then what you'll do is you will start your first reading assignment. So you will go ahead and read this paragraph, and then below you will watch the video. Now, while you're doing your interactive reading assignments, you also want to have in hand is the guided notebook. So what you want to do is you want to then revert back to the tabs. So if you go back to the tabs page and then select main menu and then scroll down to the guided notebook, okay, you will notice that you have the guided notebook in a PDF format and then also in a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so you can choose either one of these. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select the data collection chapter 1. Okay, and here what you're going to do is you're going to use this guided notes as you go along through the reading assignment in the video. Now, if you look here, it says section 1.1, Introduction to the Practice of Statistics, and you can see that you're listed the 5 objectives. If I go back to the interactive assignment, you will also see at the beginning, at the introduction, that lists the title of the section and the learning objectives for this section. Okay, now if I go again back to objective 1, you will see the video. Now, going back to the guided notes at the very beginning gives you the first objective, which is define statistics and statistical thinking. And then over here it has a video icon, which tells you that you need to watch the video and then answer the following questions below. So therefore, then you're going to write the definition of statistics below according to the information that's in the video that you'll be watching. And so basically what, again, this is doing is it's guiding you through the reading and the video lectures. And so this is also a requirement that needs to be completed as you go through your assignments. And then once you complete your guided notes and your interactive reading assignment, then you will then proceed to then do the homework. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about is where you can access the Stat Talk discussions. So down here, if you look at your tabs, you'll note here where it says Stat Talk discussions. And if you select that, this is what you'll be doing on a weekly basis. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is introduce yourself. So in week 1, it says, welcome to Math 14 Online. Please tell us a little bit about you and your background. What are your goals? And what is something that is unique about you and why you will pass this class? And you'll go ahead and respond. And then for week 1, here is the assignment for the Stat Talk discussions. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure to email me. Okay, thank you.